Hello guys, today we will study about the Wheatstone Bridge. Wheatstone, Wheatstone Bridge. Wheatstone Bridge. This is a simple circuit of 5 resistance. This is the 5 resistance which are connected in like that. Let this resistance is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4 and this is R5. So condition for balancing Wheatstone bridge. What are the condition? First you should know the condition for balancing Wheatstone bridge. So if R1 equal to R2, if R1 equal to R2 and this ratio, if ratio of R1 by R2 is equal to the ratio of R3 by R4, means the ratio of alternative arm resistance R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4, or you can write R1 by R3 equal to R2 by R4, either of these two. If the ratio of alternate arm resistance are equal, then R5 can be neglected. R5 can be neglected. Why we are neglecting this branch if the ratio of the alternate resistance are equal? Because these two points A, B, C, D, these 2 points B and D becomes at common potential. In this case, potential of point B will be equal to potential of point A. So if the potential of both points are same, then no current will flow through this branch. So in this case, the circuit becomes like that. The equivalent circuit becomes like that. This is the equivalent circuit. This is the equivalent circuit. And after that, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4. After then you solve it, R1 and R2 both are connected in series, R3, R4 also connected in series. Find the equivalent of these two, then find the equivalent of these two, and after then these equivalent are connected in parallel, and then solve the problems. So this method is very useful to solve the problems. There are different forms of Wheatstone bridge circuit. Another form of Wheatstone bridge circuit is like that. This is also a Wheatstone bridge circuit. Let this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, this is R4 and this is R5. Same thing, if R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4, then R5 can be neglected. R5 can be neglected. So same method here you also apply like a Wheatstone bridge. So in Wheatstone bridge you can solve the numericals questions. Suppose this circuit is given. This is 3 ohm and this is 6 ohm. This is 2 ohm and this is 4 ohm and this is 5 ohm. This circuit is given. It is connected to a 10 volt battery. Find the equivalent resistance of this circuit. Find equivalent resistance and total current. So first you check whether this circuit is Wheatstone or not. So here 3 and 6, this 2 ratio, 3 by 6 means half, 2 by 4, this is also half. So this is a Wheatstone bridge. So equivalent of this circuit you can draw. Equivalent of this circuit is, this is the equivalent of this circuit. This is equivalent of this circuit. Here is this is 3 ohm, this is 6 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this is 4 ohm, this is 5 ohm, and it is connected to 10 volt battery. So here this resistance is neglected. So only 3 and 6 both are connected in series. So equivalent will be, this is 9 ohm and this is 2 plus 4, 6 ohm, and both are connected in parallel with a 10 volt battery. And after then find the equivalent. So to get the equivalent, both are connected in parallel. So is the formula Rp equal to 9 into 6 by 9 plus 6. So 54 by 15 ohm. So this is the this is 3 and this is 18. So this is 6. This is 5 and this is 18. So this is 6 by 5 ohm are equivalent. And then total current. If you get the total current, find the formula. Total current I equal to V by Rp. Total potential is 10 volt and Rp value given 6 by 5. So this is 50 by 6 volt, or this is 25 by 3 volts. So this is the method of finding the Wheatstone bridge.